What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Alt Delete. Hope you're having a great holiday season. We got a great crypto video here for you today. We're on cryptonews.com. But before we get into the video, as always, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest and help us educate people in the world of cryptocurrency to make smarter financial choices before they invest. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for all notifications. Let's get into it. So we've got a pretty good article here today. So the Montenegro Court has officially revoked extradition approval for Do Kwon, which means they'll be keeping him in where he is. He's not going to be extradited to South Korea or the United States, which is interesting because I don't know what happened here. Is the Appellate Court of Montenegro has accepted an appeal by Do Kwon's attorneys revoking the High Court's decision to extradite the Terraform Labs' founder to either South Korea or the States. Therefore, the Appellate Court has annulled the decision to the higher court in the country's capital of Podgorica. It returned the case to the basic court for retrial and subsequent decisions, as the High Court's decision on November 17th established that the legal prerequisites for Kwon's extradition were met. Both the USA and Kwon's native South Korea have been trying for months to have him extradited to face fraud-related charges. However, the December 19th official statement by the Montenegro Appellate Court stated that deciding on the appeal by the defendant's attorneys, the Appellate Court has found that the High Court's decision was affected by a significant violation of the Criminal Procedure Code, which is rightly pointed out by the defense attorney's appeal, as the decision provides no reason behind the decisive facts. And the reasons for wanting to extradite him are obviously unclear, which represents grounds to revoke the decision. Now, acting on the request by South Korea, the investigation judge heard Kwon agreeing that he should be swiftly extradited. The judge, however, did not hear the defendant in relation to the request for extradition to the United States. So this means that the High Court acted contrary to the relevant law, said the court, which requires the investigation judge to inform the person why and where the extradition is requested, allowing them to present a defense. No jurisdiction of High Court. So the Appellate Court was not done. It revoked another High Court's decision. The Podgorica High Court previously positioned Kwon's extradition until his 4-month prison sentence ended. So he had a 4-month prison sentence. Kwon was caught attempting to flee the country using falsified passports, but the latest ruling states that the High Court's decision was revoked due to significant violations of criminal procedure provisions. It is the court's decision that he will not face extradition and will be postponed and does not fall under the jurisdiction of the court, which only determines whether the legal prerequisites for extradition have been met, but it is within the jurisdiction of the Minister of Justice. So this case is going to go to retrial and it will likely take a while before Kwon learns his fate. Now, he is wanted for numerous securities laws violations in connection with the May 2022 collapse of Terra and Luna, and this crash has costed the market an estimated $40 billion. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which are just fraudulent organizations. I mean, they're all criminals. They just want his money. And SEC filed a lawsuit against the Terraform Labs' founder for committing fraud. South Korea also issued a warrant for his arrest, and they've been battling for his extradition since. Now, Kwon and his alleged co-conspirator, Terraform Labs CFO Han Chang-jun, were on the run in Asia and Europe, were caught in Montenegro last month. So, well, that's interesting because I don't know what's going on with this. Maybe he did commit fraud. Maybe Terraform Labs did rip people off. Who knows? Do your own due diligence and research. Come up with your own conclusions. That's going to do it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, leave comments. Help people educate themselves to make smart financial decisions. Have a good holiday season. We'll see you in the next video.